हेलो नमस्कार। वेलकम टू प्लेइंग 11 फुटबॉल। मैं हूं सुधीर और मेरे साथ है मेरे पार्टनर नवल। हे नवल, कैसे हो?
है सुधीर बढ़िया।
ऑलराइट, सो अगली गेम हैदराबाद का, दे आर प्लेइंग अगेंस्ट गोवा। सो जस्ट टू लुक एट हेड टू हेड रिकॉर्ड लास्ट ईयर, उन लोगों ने दो बार खेला और दोनों बार गोवा ने जीता। आई थिंक सेकंड टाइम स्कोर कुछ लाइक 4-1 कुछ था, शायद आप बोल रहे थे।
या फर्स्ट मैच होम में तो 0-1 हार गए थे हैदराबाद।
ओके।
सेकेंड लेग में गोवा में जाके 4-0 या 4-1 ऐसा कुछ हार गए।
ओके। ऑलराइट। ओके, सो अभी देखते हैं ये साल का। राइट नाउ अभी करंट टेबल में स्टैंडिंग्स है गोवा का। दे आर इन द सिक्स्थ प्लेस। दे हैव प्लेड 8 games so far with 3 wins and 11 points. Hyderabad slipped down because of two consecutive back-to-back defeats. So abhi they have played 7 games, one less game than Goa, but they only have 2 wins. So yeah, so that's a bit concern for Hyderabad looking at their current form, recent form. So if just looking at the Goa's recent form at the moment, so the last game they played, they won 1-0 against Jamshedpur, or and before that they had two losses. So overall, they've been up and down, Goa. But when it comes to Hyderabad, Hyderabad started with a win, then they went like three consecutive draws, then they got that big win against East Bengal, um, and now again like two tough games they had against. One was against Mumbai City, which they lost 2-0, and also 2-0 against Kerala. So one of the things that we have discussed so far about Hyderabad is like how they're going to respond to that. All right. So that said, few players to look into for Goa. Obviously, their striker Igor Angulo. He's he's killing it. He has what 8 goals this season. And who's the other player you think of Hyderabad need to be aware of?
तो मुझे लगता है उनका नंबर 9 है ऑर्टिस।
Okay.
वो बहुत अच्छे मूव्स करते हैं।
Mm-hmm.
बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस क्रिएट करते हैं। बहुत अच्छे अटैकिंग पोजीशंस में जाते हैं। पेस उनका बहुत अच्छा है। तो आई थिंक दिस गाय इज गोइंग टू बी मोर deadly to us than Angulo.
Okay. और
Angulo is more clinical,
mm-hmm.
more productive in front of goal, but this guy is the magician behind Angulo.
Okay. All right. So any
Yeah.
other exciting Indian players to watch on the Goa team?
गोवा में तो बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर्स है, जैसे ब्रेंडन फर्नांडिस है।
Okay.
और
I think
हाँ।
defense में Serena Fernandez भी है शायद ना?
हाँ, सेरिटन सेरिटन है राइट बैक में। तो
हाँ.
वो बहुत अच्छा खेलते हैं। तो हाँ, बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर्स है, उसमें देखने में मजा आएगा ये मैच तो।
Okay. So yeah, Goa has some really exciting players. But अभी बात होती है हैदराबाद की, तो चलो अभी हैदराबाद का देखते हैं. Some of the things to remember. Obviously Hyderabad had two back-to-back losses. Like kind of we talk थोड़ा बहुत हमने बात किया था कि क्या wrong कर रहे हैं. But that said, some good news for Hyderabad fans. Luis Sastre or Joel Kinesi are back. Uh, Not I don't say back, but they are ready and fit to get selected. So obviously, maybe we'll hope we can see both of them in the game or at least one against Goa. So we'll get to see that how that lineup goes. But that said, what are the things that Hyderabad need to work on?
मुझे लगता है डिफेंसिव पोजीशंस में उनको वर्क करना चाहिए। I think manager was not very much impressed in the last game.
Yeah.
Even after first half, he was disappointed with many players,
Hmm.
which is why we could see the entire bench getting trained, getting warmed up. So he did not know who to, substitute at what time.
Yeah.
So he was getting everyone ready so that he could use his substitutes effectively, but it didn't turn out well.
Okay, so एक तो defense है and second thing obviously थोड़ा बहुत goalkeeping का भी issue है. Like I think especially last two games में आपने देखा था कि especially last game में Subrata Paul like pretty bad misjudgment with the kicks and passes, and that was putting a lot of pressure on the defense too.
या सो अभी बैकअप में उतना अच्छे ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल नहीं
Yeah.
है। सुब्रतो इज द मेन गाय दैट इज अवेलेबल राइट नाउ, who is our best possible option for this game at least.
Hmm.
अगर दूसरा कोई गेम होता which is less pressure game, तो शायद ट्राई कर सकते थे, बट आई थिंक गोवा के लिए तो आई थिंक ही विल ट्राई go ahead with Subrata only.
या बिल्कुल. Okay, और थोड़ा बहुत जाते हैं like I mean the other issues that we were talking about, like अगर last two games को देख के one of the thing was Hyderabad players were getting pressed a lot, like but दोनों team, like if you look at Mumbai और केरला के players ने like उन लोगों ने हैदराबाद को बहुत press किया, and that was one of the thing that's a problematic. So how is Hyderabad respond to that?
तो हैदराबाद प्रेस हो रहे थे बिकॉज दे वर कीपिंग द बॉल फॉर टू लॉन्ग. So you don't keep the ball for long, then the opposition player who is rushing onto you will have no other option but to move to another player if you pass on the ball to the next player, right?
Yeah.
So they will simply get at with that only, with constant movement.
Okay.
So release the ball as soon as you get the ball, and that is the only way that you can escape from pressing, hard pressing. And Goa also plays hard pressing. Whenever they lose the ball, they press you and they try to win the ball back.
Yeah.
In attacking positions, and from there on they go ahead.
Yeah, I think जैसे आपने कहा, like I think that's one of the thing, like they have, if Hyderabad, we know like they do a lot of passes and all that, and they have to actually do a better pass, quicker passes, so that will help them, because if Goa is pressing, जैसे हमने देखा था last game में, Kerala के game में, one of the example was Yasir had the ball and there were like two or three Kerala players pressing him. So that kind of like left no space for Yasir to pass or anything like that, or even do anything. And obviously Kerala was getting the ball. Yeah, so if they keep up the same kind of tempo, you can expect a similar game, a kind of a similar result also. So there are things that needs to be changed, and I expect the coach manager to like make some hard decisions, and we do expect like a different lineup tomorrow.
Yeah, so and also because we had only 2 days gap
Yeah.
between the previous match and this match,
Mhm.
so I think we will see new players.
Okay.
For example, Aridane played for 90 plus minutes in the
Mhm.
last game, and I don't think he can start in the next game for full 90 minutes.
Yeah.
So there we could see some changes, right?
Yeah, and also
So
Liston
and also there are
Colasso.
some other places where Liston Colasso was injured. There we can see another player, right? And there are one or two different positions where we could see other players,
Yeah.
which we can talk going ahead.
Yeah. All right. So that said, like, do you have any more points to add? Like, what to expect from the game tomorrow? What it's going to be like?
What to expect? You're shooting ढंग से करो, because against Goa, I think you will get very less chances
Okay.
to take a shot,
Mm-hmm.
because they press really hard and they are very good at passing. I think they are the topmost passers in the game till now.
Yeah.
In ISL. तो बहुत अच्छा पासिंग करते हैं, क्रॉसेस बहुत इफेक्टिव क्रॉसेस देते हैं, क्रॉसेस बहुत कम है इनके,
Okay.
बट बहुत इफेक्टिव क्रॉसेस देते हैं ये, तो सीधा के एंगुलो के आसपास ही गिरता है और वो तो छोड़ता ही नहीं है एंगुलो
Yeah.
whenever he gets the ball.
Yeah, Bilkul. I think that's one of the things. I think Hyderabad really has to improve on their shooting. Or also, like I think एक या दो free kicks आए थे उन्होंने, like it was really bad. And also, I think Hyderabad has to take, like, if one of the thing, I think last two games में आपने देखा कि Hyderabad was consistently trying to put the ball in the box, even if they
Yeah.
didn't have an option. But I think Hyderabad need to take a strategy of like, okay, if you don't find anything in the box, like maybe they should try to take some shots from outside, and that's again
From outside. So one
outside the
one more
box.
thing I would like to add is work rate.
Yeah.
Other than the fullbacks and Yasir, right? No one else was giving their 100% running front and back. ठीक है?
Yeah.
So तो जैसे for example that you were saying that they were putting crosses in no man's land, right? Even if no one was there, they were just passing the ball or putting it into the box. ठीक है? So this is happening because there are not much bodies coming into the penalty area when we are winning the ball.
Yeah.
So
बिल्कुल.
people who were at the back are staying back. They are not coming front quickly.
Yeah, they continuously expect Aridane to be there, and जैसे हमने देखा कि last game में Aridane was like all over the pitch. He was just not like your number
Yeah,
10, but he was also
and
back.
Aridane is not as fast as
Yeah. So in
your
order to
Colasos or Narzaris.
yeah,
He is
so
not as fast. He is
yeah,
not
so
as young.
so someone from
Yeah,
midfield or someone from defense have to step up, make that run when you get the cross to actually get that. Or if you're not that fast, if you're not getting it, I think Hyderabad has to take their chances from at least outside the box. That's one of the things
yeah.
I like to see from Hyderabad.
Which to an extent Narzari does. Which to an extent Narzari does.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
But others also needs to take those chances.
Yeah, I think Narzari was the closest last week when he came to scoring a goal. But
Yeah.
yeah, other than that, there was no one, not even a proper shot on the goal last week. All right, so that said, let's look at the lineup, what this week will look like. तो शुरू
So
करते
at the
हैं.
back,
Yeah, शुरू
at
करते हैं
the back we
goalkeeper
can
से.
only expect Subrato for this game because others are not much experienced. They did not spend much time on the goal post. So considering, also top two people who took shots are from Goa,
बिल्कुल.
right?
So yeah, I
Both
expect.
Ortiz,
Yeah,
yeah, both Ortiz and Angulo. These
yeah,
two are the topmost shot. They have made the topmost shots
yeah.
in this
I
season so
बिल्कुल.
far.
Yeah, I expect Subrata to start because really we don't have like that good of a backup also to bring in. That's one of the biggest thing. Because Paul's has performance has been a bit shaky last two games. जैसे हमने बात किया
Yeah,
था. So, but yeah, I expect him to start, and also I
we can
expect
only hope for him to perform better.
yeah, and I expect our entire defense to show up pretty much the same. So like our left back, so starting with our left back, who's going to be Akash Mishra, and our right is Ashish Rai, and middle में है Ode India और साना सिंह और हाँ yeah, Akash Mishra. Yeah, so that's going to be our defense. I think with our both our backs, I think that's one positive thing. Like both of them are very hardworking players. It was very good battle to watch last week. Akash Mishra or Rahul Kepika. So yeah, so let's see how this week it goes for them. But so far they've been good. I think that's one of the things Hyderabad also has to take a look at it. Ki, like when can they give rest to both these backs? They both have played 7 straight games.
Yeah. सो फुल बैक्स में फिर से ऑप्शंस उतने नहीं है. देर आर फ्यू यंगस्टर्स
Yeah.
who have not started yet, either as a substitute or in the starting lineup, right?
Mhm.
So उन लोग को शायद इस गेम में तो नहीं मिलेगा चांस क्योंकि गोवा are a very tough team to beat.
Yeah.
So I think our strong defense will be available. आदिल खान तो फिट थे नहीं, number one, and even though he came in, he made mistakes last time.
Yeah.
So I don't think he will start in this game. I think they will go ahead with Sana Singh. Also, Sana Singh was substituted in the last game. I
Okay.
think either it is to preserve him or he did not play well. We don't know why he was substituted, but I am expecting him to play. Also, he's an ex-Goa product, so
Yeah, I think
we can expect him to start.
bilkul. Yeah, I expect him to start. I don't think there will be much changes in the defense, at least for this game, because if you're playing against FC Goa. So yeah, but I think that's something that I think manager, the coach has to go look forward, looking into like where he can start working on giving the rest to both the left back and right back. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
but this is not the game to do that.
yeah. This is not the game, but he has to figure that out when he can do that.
Yeah.
All right. That said, midfield की तरफ जाते हैं. I think midfield में जा Victor तो आएंगे ही. Yeah, he's going to be there, obviously. And I think partnering him will be Luis Sastre. I
Yeah.
expect him to start Kiki like he's coming back from a hamstring injury. So I expect him to start and hopefully, they both had like a good start in the partnership before Sastre got injured. So I think they can get back that performance together.
Yeah, so Jao Victor provided him a pretty good cover,
Yeah.
and Luis Astre's movement was also very good. लेफ्ट से लेके राइट साइड ऑफ द पिच तक वो कॉन्स्टेंटली मूव होते रहते हैं, and he will try to find some positions from where he could put in the passes. So yeah, Sastre will start, I'm thinking. I think he got enough rest for his injury, so I'm expecting him to start in this game.
Yeah, so I expect Sastre to start also. और इनके सामने रहेंगे मोस्टली सौविक चक्रवर्ती। सो आई थिंक
या
यहाँ पे यासिर के बदले में चक्रवर्ती आएंगे, क्योंकि जैसे हमने वन ऑफ द थिंग देखा कि दो गेम्स में वी काइंड ऑफ एक्सपेक्ट, हमने थोड़ा बहुत सोचा भी था कि आई थिंक सौविक को स्टार्ट भी करना था in one of the games. So I expect in this game to be start so that he's going to be one of those player who's going to press the
या
opposition team. जैसे आपने like I think a good example of that was अगर आप जाओगे मोहन बगान गेम, पहले 10 मिनट में उनको येलो कार्ड तो आ गया था, but he kept pressing, he kept putting that pressure on the Mohan Bagan players. So that was something I think I'd like to see, and I think he's the one player who can do that.
Yeah, so Sovik will not leave you alone throughout 90 minutes. So he is going to be the important part of the puzzle. जहाँ पे he will keep on pressing the you know Goa's defenders, midfielders and all. तो ये तो चांस नहीं देंगे उनको बॉल रखने का. And as much as possible he will try to make them unsettled.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so अपना फ्रंट थ्री रहेगा लेफ्ट में ऑब्वियसली हाली चरण। ओके, और राइट में यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत क्वेश्चन मार्क है, क्योंकि एक निखिल पुजारी का स्टेटस मालूम नहीं है, लाइक इफ ही इज फिट टू स्टार्ट। और दूसरा लिस्टन कोलासो, जैसे आपने देखा था, आई थिंक ही वाज इंजर्ड, थोड़ा बहुत मेडिकल स्टाफ ने देखा था। एंड ऑब्वियसली द अदर थिंग इज लाइक मैनेजर वाजंट रियली हैप्पी विद हिज परफॉर्मेंस येट, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट लिस्टन टू स्टार्ट। तो यहाँ पे फ्यू क्वेश्चन मार्क्स है पुजारी के बारे में, जैसे हमने बोला, वी डोंट नो। तो आई गो विद धनु ओवर हियर। We had like a little bit small glimpse, थोड़ा बहुत हमने देखा था over 2 games he made like maybe like एक गेम में I think 10 minutes का substitution था, दूसरे गेम में I think maybe like 15 minutes or so. So overall like good 20-25 minutes देखा। He had like I think एक chance आया था उनको option में, but maybe we'll get to see what he can do. So I expect him to start. आपका क्या ख्याल है?
या सो धनु रोहित धनु ने बहुत अच्छा खेला था जो भी चांस मिला था उनको.
Yeah.
और ललोम्पिया भी एक ऑप्शन है ओपी
Mm-hmm.
जो एक्स गोवा प्रोडक्ट है अगेन. बट वो भी एक दो मैचेस में ऐसा ही सब्स्टिट्यूट करके आए थे.
Yeah.
बट आई थिंक इधर बिकॉज वी हैव शास्त्रे सोविक who are not much creative. I mean Luis Sastre is kind of passer but not
Creative.
creating spaces and dribbling past defenders, which I think Rohit Dhanu can do. तो इधर राइट साइड एरिया में आई थिंक दानो कैन प्ले दैट रोल
Mm-hmm.
कि स्पेस क्रिएट करके मूव्स करो. तो या इवन आई थिंक धानु रोहित धानु कैन स्टार्ट. एट द सेम टाइम लालोम्पिया इज आल्सो एन ऑप्शन.
Yeah. It could be either
बट
one of
समहाउ
the.
आई फील रोहित धानु विल गेट a start this
बिल्कुल,
time
like
around.
looking at the sample, जैसे हमने कहा, like one of the thing is like it's a very small sample size दोनों के बीच में. They both kind of played like maybe 20 minutes or so in last 2 games. So if you look at in those two samples, I think Rohit Danu kind of made a difference. I think इनका एक shot almost like goal post पे लग के निकल गया था, and it was from like I think on his right पे. So it was interesting to see. So that's why
या
I think Dhanu रहेगा, but yeah, it
या
could
तो
the
लॉन्ग शॉट्स मारने में थोड़ा ये हेल्पफुल रहेंगे.
बिल्कुल.
while लालोम्पिया was almost playing same as पुजारी और
Yeah.
कोलासव को तो कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते अपन. तो ऑलमोस्ट पुजारी जैसे परफॉर्मेंस दे रहे थे ललोम्पिया भी, विच आई डोंट थिंक इज मच हेल्पफुल इन दिस गेम. तो हाँ, शूटिंग फ्रॉम ए डिस्टेंस इज एन ऑप्शन विथ रोहित दानो एंड आई थिंक ही विल स्टार्ट इन दिस गेम.
ओके, ऑलराइट। और इनको लीड करने वाले हैं फ्रंट में, यहाँ पे भी चेंज रहेगा। आई थिंक आरिडाने को रेस्ट मिलेगा और यहाँ पे आएंगे संडासा। बट आई थिंक जैसे हमने देखा था, आई थिंक फ्रांस संडासा का भी लाइक थोड़ा बहुत कैमियो परफॉर्मेंस था, अबाउट लाइक ही हैड व्हाट 75th फोर्थ या 75th मिनट में आए थे पिछले गेम में। सो ही
या
हैड अबाउट लाइक गुड 15-20 मिनट्स विद द एक्स्ट्रा टाइम एडेड। थोड़ा
या
बहुत performance था, and you could see like he was getting into the box. Again, he's a very physical player, so he can make that difference. But एक चीज मालूम नहीं है, I think not having Aridane, one thing we can say is like we don't know like if Sandaza is going to track back to help in the defense जैसे Aridane करते थे. So that's something I
या
think
तो
in that way
संडाजा
Hyderabad will
ऑल्सो.
be, yeah, in that way Hyderabad will be losing थोड़ा बहुत defensive stability, जैसे कि Aridane आके help करते थे even in midfield and all that. So Sandasa वैसे प्लेयर नहीं है, so he's very physical, he's more of a number 9. He can get
नहीं
into the
नहीं
box.
नहीं 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 नहीं, आई वुड डिफर विथ यू हियर. Franz Andaza also tracks back. He also contributes in the midfield area to keep the ball ticking, and he is fast compared to Aridane. फिजिकली बहुत बड़े हैं तो इतना फास्ट नहीं है जितना बाकी प्लेयर से, बट अगर अरिडाने से कंपेयर करेंगे तो संडाजा बहुत फास्ट भागते, एंड ही हैज वाइड वेराइटीज ऑफ शूटिंग.
Okay.
So
Right.
yeah, with Aridane we kind of stick to close range finishes or headers,
Mm-hmm.
but Sandaza offers long range shots also. He's a bit athletic also in some sense. ठीक है.
Okay.
तो उनके हाइलाइट्स देखा था मैंने सीजन के स्टार्टिंग में जब हैदराबाद ने साइन किया था.
Mm-hmm.
तो बहुत अच्छा खेलते ही है. ही ऑल्सो ड्रॉप्स डीप एंड हेल्प्स द मिडफील्ड ऑल्सो, एंड काउंटर में बहुत अच्छा खेलते हैं.
Okay. All right. Or yeah. So one of few more things. I think जैसे हम पहले कह रहे थे आर्टिकल के प्रकार शास्त्र और Joel Cheney available है. So I expect if Joel Cheney, as you said, as a coach said, if he's fit and he's ready to get started, I think he will come in as a substitute tomorrow. That's how I'm seeing it.
या कियनिजी का सीवियर इंजरी था.
Yeah.
तो मुझे लगता है वो अगर आ रहे हैं तो सब्स्टिट्यूट जैसे आएंगे. स्टार्ट करना आई थिंक इट इज थोड़ा इम्पॉसिबल है ये मैच में पूरा 90 मिनट्स खेलना. सो आई थिंक ही विल फीचर होपफुली इन द सेकंड हाफ व्हेन एवरीवन इज टायर्ड.
All right. So that said, prediction, score prediction. That's one of the thing we look into. आपका क्या ख्याल है? What's the goal score prediction going to be tomorrow?
तो मुझे लगता है गोवा विल एक्सप्लॉइट द loopholes in our defense and they will win 2-1.
Yeah, so I'm picking Goa also to win, but I'm picking Goa to win 2-0. Hyderabad again, like over the last 7 games, one of the things we have seen is their goal scoring. They don't score that often. They miss a lot of shots. The last 2 games, they didn't score anything. So I expect Hyderabad to lose this one also 2-0.
Yeah, so considering Shastre will be in this time, we expect good deliveries
Yeah.
and good free kicks to be taken. So somewhere I'm hopeful that one or two can be converted into goal.
Okay. All right. So that said, गेम है 30 दिसंबर को 7:30 बजे शाम में. So don't forget to watch it. I hope everyone enjoys the game and हम मिलते हैं post game analysis में. और that said, we'll talk to you again, Naval. Thank you.
Thank you, Sudhir. Bye.